think you know how to pronounce the letter A? Think again. English has 9 different sounds for A, and in this lesson, you'll learn all of them with words, sentences, and practice. Let's go! The first and most common way to pronounce the letter A is the sound A, like in the word cat or map. To make this sound, open and spread your mouth, tongue is down, and you say ah. Now your turn. Let's practice with some words. Repeat after me. Black, planet, happy, family. Let's practice a in a sentence. The happy black cat sat on a flat mat and had a snack. Now your turn. Another way the letter A can be pronounced is O, like in the word wash. Let's practice this sound. Open your mouth, create a circle with your lips, and then say O. Your turn. Let's practice with some words. Repeat after me. Wash, want, watch, what, quality, quantity. Let's practice with a sentence. I want to watch the black swan. Now your turn. The next way to pronounce the letter A is the O sound, like in the word all. To make this sound, open your mouth, make a circle shape with your lips, bring your lips forward, like this. O. Now, let's try these practice words. Repeat after me. Ball, saw, talk, walk, also, lawn. Now, to practice the O sound, say this sentence after me. She saw the small ball fall on the lawn. Now next, another way to pronounce the letter A is the R sound, like in the word car. This is the sound a doctor asks you to make when he wants to have a look down your throat. To make this sound, open your mouth, relax your lips and tongue and say ah. Your turn. Let's try some practice words. Repeat after me. Father, park, calm, laugh, glass, path. Say this sentence after me to practice the R sound. I parked the car in the dark park after a long bath. Now your turn. Now for the letter A, pronounced as the A sound, like in the word table. This sound is a diphthong, meaning it is made out of 2 sounds that are combined to one new one, E and I. So join the 2 sounds together and you get A. Now listen and repeat. Cake, name, play, rain, face, main. Let's practice with an example sentence. On this rainy day, I will make a cake. Now your turn. Next is the letter A, pronounced as the sound, also known as the schwa sound. It is usually used in unstressed syllables, as in the word again. The schwa is very short and relaxed. You don't really need to open your mouth fully, just a quick sound. Now you try. Now let's try these practice words. Repeat after me. About, sofa, banana, America, along. Let's practice the sound in this sentence. Repeat after me. I'm about to eat a banana on the sofa. Now for the letter A, pronounced as the I sound, like in the word message. To make the I sound, your lips should be spread and your mouth should be fairly closed, like this. I. Now you try. Let's practice this sound with these words. Repeat after me. Village, marriage, courage, postage. Let's practice this sentence. The postage for the message was higher than I expected. Now you try. Now for the letter A, pronounced as the air sound, like in the word hair. It's another diphthong where the two sounds are joined together, e and so you glide those two sounds together to air. Let's look at these words. Repeat after me. Care, pair, share, square, aware. Now repeat this example sentence after me. The pair of chairs was bare near the square. And the last way the letter A is pronounced is the E sound. It isn't very common, but it still happens sometimes, like in the word many. Let's practice saying the sound. You open your mouth slightly. Everything else is in a neutral position. Eh. Your turn. And now let's practice the S sound in these words. Repeat after me. Many, any, said, says. Now let's practice it in a sentence. Many friends said they can help. Your turn. That's all of the 9A sounds done. And for a full guide of all the sounds in English, watch this video next. See you in the next lesson. Bye.